everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today the Mercedes S-Class. Did you know there's a handy boot clip or a trunk clip? This is really handy if you need to get something out of the boot or the trunk, and you don't have to hold it up with one hand and try and get all the stuff out that you need with the other hand. This is the Mercedes S-Class here, and I have to say it is a lovely motor. And there's a link above now about the top 10 tips you need to know about the Mercedes S-Class. Right, what we do is just open up the boot or the trunk, as they say in the good old US of A. And you've got this small lever here. Push it down and that releases the handle. Lift the handle up. And on the underside of this tray, you've got this small clip. Now you can just pull that towards you and it just pops out. And all you do is literally clip that over the rear chassis underneath the rear window. And there you go. Then you've got access to all the tools and anything you've stored underneath there without having to hold it up with one arm and drag everything out with the other arm. And there's a link above now about how to turn off the annoying traffic updates with one button. When you finish, just push that hook back into the holder and then you can just close the boot or the trunk. And then it's time for a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.